Good afternoon from Murphy, North Carolina on this cold and windy January day. This video is a special for Ann down in Florida. She saw a bowl of my soup and she said, "What those round things in the soup?" I said, "Potatoes." I run through the mandolin. She said, "Mandolin? That's a musical instrument." Well, let me show you. It's not a Ron Popeil. It slices, it dices, but it does slice. And it'll even make you some fries. So, the mandolin runs on this very, very, very sharp blade, which you must respect at all times. It's in the full up position, so I won't cut myself. When it's down, respect it. It will hurt you. So this is to help protect. So when you do slice, you won't get your hands in the way. Alright. So, let's cut some stuff. Okay, you want to make chicken salad. Alright, chicken salad. Let's go down, not super thin. Or even tuna salad. That's a fairly thick. We want a little taste here. So we can go like this. Once again, don't even get close to it. Now that's our standard straight cut. So, standard straight cut, nice stuff. Of course, neat thing with the mandolin, you don't have to do everything. You can do some angles. Maybe down like this. Everything doesn't have to be straight. Get creative in your cutting. Once again, for whatever it is, this probably go well in soup. Not so much in the tuna salad, chicken salad, but that gives you the idea. Alright. Now onions. I like to make pickled onions. So, start off, voila. Now for the pickled onion, I'm going to go thick, nice and thick. Now, I can go like this, but onions are a little tougher. So I'm going to go straight to the holder. There. Fast, easy. And now I've got some nice slices to take apart and put in my brine for my pickled onions. Cool. A little bit more. Now also, we can go nice and thin. See, when I do a barbecue mix. Now, the only caution with doing the onions super thin, you get more surface area. Now you know, of course, onions can make you cry. Why? Well, they have methyl sulfide in them. That methyl sulfide, you can Google it in case I messed that up. The methyl sulfide gets into the water in your eyes and creates sulfuric acid. And that's why you cry. Alright. Now, potatoes, people love French fries. Alright, I'm going to make one whack just to get us. Now, this one also has a setting that it puts a bunch of these little blades up there. So now instead of that flat cut, I'm also going to make some fries. These aren't the best. It's kind of small. And it offers more resistance. But once again, now you've got nice shoestring fries. Uniform, perfect. But Bruce, I like mine thicker, fatter. Cool. Well, get rid of the upward blades. Put it down to the full cut. Remember, that's even dangerous getting that close to that blade. Wow. Respect that blade at all times. It will hurt you. Yeah. So now, I've got them thicker. And now you can make more of a flat fry. More of a steak fry. Cool, ready to go. So shoestrings, more a little fatter fry. That's pretty much it for the mandolin. Oh, of course, if you want to make garlic chips, get you some garlic. Hey, get in there. Ooh-doo-doo-doo. Oh, yeah. And all the leftovers and scraps, I'm going to be putting those in soup. It's going down to 10 degrees tonight. Oh, look at that garlic. Nice garlic. I can bake that, put it on the griddle. Oh, some nice garlic chips. All this scrap will be going in the soup. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty versatile, nice thing as long as you respect that blade. That's the quick and easy for now. I'll let you get back to whatever it is you were getting back to. Oh, brr, it's cold. All right, until later, from Murphy, North Carolina. See ya.